Hey everybody, Chad and Nicole Humphrey here, live from Humphrey's Barbecue. And we wanted to show you a new prototype product that we've been working on. This is the Bootlegger. As you can see, different style cooker than what we're normally used to building here. We've had a lot of interest from customers and requests and things like that. So we wanted to show you a little bit of this one, a little teaser video to show you what's coming up. And this one's not finished just yet, but it's going to have some cool finishing techniques done to it. And let's go over it. Nicole, what do you think about this?
I'm in love. I am truly in love.
So this is a direct flow style unit, capable of cooking with charcoal, splits, chunks, anything like that. Heavy duty steel construction throughout, rolls, barrel tops, fabricated lowers, heavy steel construction. That's there.
28 inches deep too.
So this is 28 inches deep. So this is your full packer brisket side by side, really easy to use. The neat other thing is you have a high temperature shelf in the top. So if you need to set sauces, or you're doing chicken wings or anything you want to get in a real nice high temp situation, you've got this high temp shelf right here on the top. Expanded metal racks in this one for right now. You got a catch handle and a carry handle, which is really helpful. You also have a direct heat cooking rack down low. So this one right here is really versatile because you can do high temps. You can also have extra capacity, but you can do some light grilling right there as well. It's also a great spot to put a water pan. It is. Water pan, catch pan, grease pan, whatever you want to put in. Real nice thing. These are anti-tip out racks too. This is one of my favorite features that we have. You can really put some beef right on there. And as you could see, the rack wasn't going anywhere. I was moving the cooker. These are really nice. You can come out all the way to here and still push down. As you saw, the rack was flexing and the machine itself wasn't even moving. Let's get into some Firebox area. Yeah, you're all asking that. I'm excited about the Firebox area. So we got our spring handles here, which are nice. So it's, you can do glove-free operation, although we always recommend gloves on things like that. This one actually has our split basket in it. As you can see, it's in a design to help prevent any warping, and that is one of the #1 flaws in a lot of fire baskets and charcoal baskets and things like that. And cookers like this is they do tend to warp because you're cooking with raw fire in a large capacity. And the airflow, I mean, when I designed this, I wanted maximum airflow around the logs and just have that real heavy duty durable. I mean, I'm going to tell you, this is durable. This whole unit is durable. I'm going to go through some construction details in a minute after you talk about this. But yeah, like, I mean, the Firebox alone is just insane, but it has, like Nicole said, maximum amount of airflow. So that takes care of all of those issues in a lot of cookers like this that are on the market. But this has a bunch of cross brace and everything for anti-warp properties. Another spring handle on there just to help keep it cool to pull it in and out. We do recommend using a pick stick or heavy duty arc welding style gloves to always remove a fire basket, especially hot. Plenty of room for ash clean out in there. You can do that with a traditional ash shovel or a removable ash pan option. Those are all things that you can do. One other thing I want to know while we're in the Firebox area, the spacing of these rails will also hold the hotbox Firebox all-in-one system as well. So if you do want to cook with charcoal in this, it's very easy to set up. And if you purchase an additional Firebox for that, you can run charcoal in there as well. Yes, it does hold the hotbox rack, Firebox all-in-one. You are 100% correct. And that does make this very versatile, because then you could cook with straight up charcoal. You could cook it with chips, chunks in there, anything you want, just in case the raw splits give you too much flavor, which is very common here in the Northeast. A lot of people prefer charcoal over the splits, but this will do both, which is nice. Let's talk about airflow. Super adjustable airflows on this. Real quick, positive locking door latch, which is nice, real rugged build. So we have our slide damper system here for your air intake. So that's really versatile, easy to adjust, very easy. just a little bit makes a big difference on one of these, but you can just adjust it. Nice open and close. We're going to leave it open just to show you. So what you would do, start your fire, have this all the way open, let it run. Of course, your lid should be closed. And then you have dual stacks on here. So you can open and close your stacks manually. If you want to do like a small offset style cook, you can also do that, because you can make it come up and go over out just one stack if you'd like. Some of you are going to recognize these. These are heavy duty door hinges on here, because this does weigh a lot. So we put some heavy duty door hinges on there, real easy to take care of. You can just hit that with some lubricant. That'll keep, you know, years and years and years of service for you. The handles are welded on. So they're all fabricated right onto the machine itself. Front, left side, right side, all right on there. It does have a honeycomb rack on the bottom. So for storage, so if you want to put a pick stick under there, or say you did buy the extra Firebox and you wanted to have the traditional charcoal basket, nice, easy storage of that. So you could keep this, you can put a cover over it, and then everything is nice and secure and easy to take care of. We don't have a weight on it yet, I don't think. I don't think we've thrown this on the scale.
But I do have to tell you, it's beefy. It's beefy, yeah. So I just really want to know, you know, this is all one construction. This tube actually goes all the way up to the top, locking it all right in place. This is heavy duty. Yeah, and one of the main reasons we did that, even though there should never really be a lot of heat in that area, you're still cooking with live fire, you're cooking with logs, and we know sometimes people want to take these up to a temp that is a little higher than what we would recommend. That frame is going to help keep everything nice and straight over the years and years of service that this unit will give you. And it also is a great base to put all of the rest of the upper cooking chamber on. So it just makes a really nice solid product that's going to give you a tremendous amount of service over its lifespan. Absolutely. And, you know, more metal in this, you know, it's going to retain heat retention. It's going to create that heat sink in there too. So and it gives you that traditional barbecue feeling. I mean, like when you shut the door, like you pick the door up, this is what you want it to feel like. Nice, heavy, rigid. You want to shut it. You want to hear that, you know, steel on steel, heavy duty bang and clasp. And it's also been backed and redesigned across the lid to help with the airflow and minimal smoke leakage out of a offset upper style cooking chamber like this. Another cool thing, it does come with a fully thermometer, bimetal thermometer that can be calibrated. So a lot of these on the market can't be calibrated. It does have the full adjustment screw in the back, real easy to do. We've had videos on that from our other cookers. But it's just going to be fun, and we're really looking forward to putting a nice finish on this, a good patina, and then firing this one up.